Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's ed 21 years. Today we're going to talk about hand-over-hand turns and how to perform them. At the end of this, I need you to give this a thumbs up, and if you feel it's high quality and you feel you can learn, please subscribe. So we're coming up to a corner. You want to turn on your blinker, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, and you want to come up and you want to slow your approach down. You want to come in really slow, and then you want to turn hand over hand into the turn, and then you want to turn hand over hand out. As you work on your hand over hand, you have to have good speed control. And it's really important that you understand this method. Different places around the world do different things. There's hand to hand, there's hand over hand, there's an underhand turn, there's putting your hands at the bottom. You don't want to do that. You want to have good speed control, you want to have good turns, and you want to maintain smooth distances. So I'm going to make a 3-point turnaround in this driveway. So I have my blinker on, I'm looking, I'm turning hand over hand into the turn, and I turn hand over hand out. I'm going to reverse, I look left, I look right, I'm looking behind me. I don't have a backup camera. Your brain and your head are the best backup camera. So I turn hand over hand, and then I turn back hand over hand. So I'm going to have good speed control. And I turn out hand over hand. That's super important that you develop good techniques. So I'm going to continue on straight. I'm going to make a right turn up here at the corner. You want to judge, usually it's 100 feet, a half a block. So I'm turning on my right turn signal. I'm going up to the edge of the street. I'm looking left, I'm looking right before I get here. Vision is extremely important. The hand over hand and vision go together. They work together. So I'm going to have a nice complete stop for 3 seconds. But notice there's an obstruction, those big bushes. So I got to look, and I'm going to move up gently. And then I look and check, and then I turn hand over hand, looking where I want to go. Turn your head and look where you want to go, and you turn out hand over hand. A lot of beginning drivers do not look where they want to go. And if you don't look where you want to go and you don't turn hand over hand, you're not really going to have smooth and efficient turns. So I'm going to have a complete stop. I'm looking left, I'm looking right, I'm looking left, and then I'm going to turn hand over hand. And remember, we're in North America, so we drive on the right side of the road, and I turn out hand over hand. I'm going to make a right turn into this parking lot, and we're going to finish with some hand over hand around the small traffic island. So this is a great drill that you can do. If you look at my hands, I'm looking where I want to go. I turn hand over hand into the turn, and I'm really smooth on the gas. And then once I'm out of the turn, I turn out hand over hand. And then I'm going into the turn, I turn hand over hand into the turn. And then I'm gonna go up here and park. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been teaching driver's education 21 years. I teach segment 1, segment 2. I do DMV test prep, road test prep. I teach online with classes. I need you to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you like this content and give it a thumbs up. God bless. I love you. Thank you.